beach, ocean, or the nearest lake. I'm Lizzy, and today I'm gonna show you 5-minute life hacks for beach. It looks quite funny, but it's actually work. It wouldn't be boring. Let's go. Wanna stop your towel from flying away but don't have a brick lying around? Alright, first beach hack. Tuck the corners of your magic carpet deep into the sand. It actually works as long as you don't wiggle too much. But of course, here is alternative. Spray a little sugar water on corners of your towel and it will stick to the sand. Science don't ready to explain this yet. You go for a swim, come back and feel your feet like breaded chicken nuggets. I have a hack for you. Baby powder. Sprinkle it and the sand just falls right off. Like your ex. When your texts him, I'm gonna miss you. Don't trust TikTok. It looked way more promising in my head. But I have 100% backup. This baby saves the day. Not just for dust, but for your sweet toys. Voila! And here is another genius idea. Now, I'm not gonna dip in my knees for the sun bath. I have really good idea. It will save you from digging sand and water out. Who want to pay for repair? I'm not. Losing all of your stuff in the sand, best way ruin beach day. So, usual Ziploc can help you. But there is a catch. For real protection, beauty your treasure. Okay, if your memory, let's say, not exactly top zipper, and you have a mini heart attack when you're thinking about losing your things, I have really solid hack for you. Hide your stuff in an ounce sunscreen bottle. No, Dave's gonna go digging through the SPF 30. He's not an idiot. But don't mix it up with the real one. Money don't moisturize very well. If you don't want to make mini Copacabana in your sneakers, you can just prepare a small bath for your feet. Now guys, answer me on rhetorical question. Why? Why should I spend $50 for beach table if I can just buy this stuff from dollar store, flip it over, and we have the system. And that's it, my friend. Now you are enlightened beach wizard. If you liked it, hit subscribe and don't forget your magic wand. Because sand is like your ex, sticks around when you least expect it.